In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add subtitles to your video in Adobe Premiere Pro, seamlessly and efficiently. Whether you're working on a personal project, a professional video, or preparing content for a global audience, subtitles can significantly enhance accessibility and viewer engagement. Let's dive right into the process, starting with opening your project. Begin by selecting the specific sequence where you'll be inserting the subtitles. This foundation ensures that everything lines up correctly as you proceed. Next, you'll want to import your SRT file, which is the file format used for subtitles. To do this, head over to File and click on Import. Here, you'll browse through your files and select the SRT file you intend to use. If you prefer a quicker method, you can drag and drop the SRT file directly from your file system into the project panel. Premiere Pro recognizes the .srt file as a caption file, adding it to your project panel with ease. Now that your captions are in the system, it's time to bring them into your timeline. Simply drag the imported caption file from the project panel and drop it into your sequence timeline. Make sure to place it on a track above your video track, like V2, or perhaps a dedicated captions or subtitles track. It's crucial to ensure that the start of your caption clip is aligned with the beginning of your video or wherever you specifically want the subtitles to commence. Keep in mind that some SRT files may come with their own internal timecodes, so double-checking this alignment is important. Once your captions are placed in the timeline, it's time to check and adjust them as needed. Open the text panel by navigating to Window, then Text, and choose the Captions tab. Here you can edit the content, timing, and style of your captions, tailoring them to fit perfectly with your video. Additionally, you can refine the styling of your text through the Essential Graphics panel, where you have the freedom to change the font, size, position, and color to suit your project's aesthetic. Finally, it's important to preview your work in the program monitor to ensure that the subtitles display correctly and are in sync with the audio or dialogue. When it comes to exporting your project, consider how you want your subtitles to be output. You have the option for burned-in subtitles, where the text is permanently visible on screen, or you can opt for a sidecar file, where subtitles exist separately, like when uploading to YouTube. For a sidecar file, head to Export Settings, then Captions, and select Create Sidecar File, SRT, if you need it. By following these steps, you'll effectively add subtitles to your video, thereby improving its accessibility and outreach. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.